Hello and welcome to Review Mobility. Our platform allows consumers to post their independent reviews on their experience with mobility companies around the UK, whilst also learning about mobility aids and browse a selection of mobility products we picked out. Head to our website reviewmobility.co.uk to learn more. Today, we will be covering folding power chairs. Let us get started. Because of its smaller footprint and reduced weight, a portable power chair may be an excellent option for those who require an electric wheelchair, but have limited storage space. These power chairs are great if you desire greater mobility than a mobility scooter, but don't have the upper body strength for a self-propelled manual wheelchair. What do you need to know when buying a folding power chair? Folding power chairs can be expensive. Check out manual options to see if they meet your needs. However, they will not fit everyone, and a folding power chair may be your best way forward. How to buy folding power chairs? The best way to buy folding power chairs online is to shop around first, as there are so many different ones to pick from, so do your research first. Where to buy a folding power chair? You can buy folding power chairs online, and we have picked some that may help on this page. What are the benefits of having folding power chairs? The benefits of having a folding power chair are that you can fold it away and transport it around, so you can take the power chair with you. What should I look out for when choosing a folding power chair? When shopping for folding power chairs, you should look at the following: cost, reviews, size, how is it powered? Can you fold electric wheelchairs? Folding electric wheelchairs are easy to transport. Easy storage in the boot of your vehicle, or SUV, makes it ideal for road trips and traveling long distances. Are power chairs and electric wheelchairs the same? Yes, they are both the same thing. These are just different names that are used. So that concludes our guide on folding power chairs. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to go and check out some of our other content on mobility aids, mobility scooters, stair lifts, and much more. Head to our website, reviewmobility.co.uk for more information.